Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Paul Thomalla of ACI Worldwide, and we're talking about blockchain. Thank you for joining me, Paul.
Thank you.
There's a lot of hype around blockchain. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I think there is a lot of hype around it, and that's kind of a problem because all of the conversation gets to the point where it's around, oh, the answer is blockchain, that'll fix it, that'll fix this, that'll fix everything. And that's really from a point of just saying, from an aspirational point of view, it can fix a lot of things. But that's kind of almost not the point. And I think we need to get back to what it's really good at, what it can do, and when it can help us.
Is blockchain the major disruptive technology that many portray it as being?
Well, it's a very interesting question. I think that, time has told us that it's probably going to be a disruptive play, but what that play will be is really not clear. So for instance, I was around when the internet was going to be the most disruptive thing, but by and large, banks still exist, insurance companies still exist, retailers still exist. Of course, they've changed and they've morphed and they've taken on that type of technology and used it, and we all now think it is, second nature. But not many people understand the core of what's inside. So people don't really understand how a DNS server works, or how IP works, or HTML works. And it's kind of the same, because blockchain will have a major effect, but the major institutions probably are not going to go away. They will use it, but it's a core technology. People probably won't actually be talking about it. I think that's an issue that we've got to get away from and focus in on what's really important.
I guess the question is really, when and where will this happen?
Well, I think timing is everything, and as we know, when it's in anything to do with money and payments, there's going to be a regulatory base, and so it's not going to be instant. But I think we could probably look at it from two angles. If it's a private environment, i.e. it's a clearing system, or it's with a private client, then actually that would work. The other aspect of it is where there's a lot of data that needs to be managed and history kept. So if you will, the sweet spot is where there's a lot of data that needs to be captured and managed and shown, and it's private so that we don't have to have a lot of regulation in the short term. So I would say in the next 5 to 10 years, you'll probably see it happening. But for you and me, it's probably more likely to be 10 years.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.